Hello everyone, we are looking at how to make these little crazy faces. So we're looking at how to stack layers up here to build some things here. So like with this one, you can see that this first layer comes off and we have some smaller features there. These first top layer is a little larger features, the eyes are larger. And in the back, we just have a plain circle here. So let's look at this. We did all this in TinkerCAD, and it's a pretty quick way to do this. You can see that's what we're looking for, 3 pieces like that. So we'll start off with just a circle, making it, pretty good size, something I might like here. We can always resize things later. And I like to turn the number of sides all the way up too, just so it's a little more round. And then, also, when you first open a thing here, you're going to be in this mode, which is more of a 3D view. We want to click top, so we're looking straight down. And then also, you'll see that we have some, you can kind of see the sides of images, which is not going to help us right now. So we want to click this bottom button here, so we get a more orthographic view, or actually not orthographic. Anyway, so we have our circle, we like the size of it. If it's not a perfect circle, that's fine, doesn't really matter. We'll zoom in here. I have that selected, so I click this button and it auto zooms to whatever I have clicked on there, which is a nice feature. So that will be our back, and I'm going to put my second layer in there by doing Control C and then copying that and then Control V. Or I can also push this button here, which is duplicate. So I have that one. Now I'm going to put some eyes on there. This is our second layer. So we're going to make the smaller layer right now. So features should be smaller than we really want them to be in the end. So keep them small at this second layer, should be small features, and give yourself some space around the outside so that they are able to get bigger with the next layer. Make them look good, right? If you want them to be exactly the same, you can copy and paste again and make them perfect if you like. And line them up how you like. For now, we're going to make the mouth really super simple and easy too, so it gets done and we get some more practice out of this. Feel free to make your mouth a different shape, but for now, we are just trying that out. That looks pretty good. All right. Now, I'm going to select all. I dragged a box around that, so I got everything selected there. And I'm copying that. I'm moving over here, making another one. And the reason I copied everything here is when I put my new layer of eyes on there, you can kind of see how it's going to look. So maybe I want my guy this time to be kind of cross-eyed. So maybe something like this, playing around a little bit. And this one going over here. You can kind of see he's going to be cross-eyed looking. And my next layer for the mouth, maybe I want that to be something like, make it look good. It's up to you. Something like that. All right? And that is pretty much it. I'm going to select everything now. And now that I have everything selected, we're on our final steps here. I'm going to say group. Now it's cut all the holes in there. That's what I'm looking to export. So I'm going to say export. And I want to say everything in the design for you guys. And then I have my file down here behind my actual face there. Look, there it is. All right. Jumping over to our Glowforge, our login information is on the wall, also by the laser, if you need to find that. And all we have to do is, well, let's start a new one. It'll look like this when you first start. You just drag that on the screen. And it's doing some thinking there. We know the material, the wood we're going to use is 3/16 inch thick. So let's see that again. I'm clicking where it says unknown, uncertified material. We're not using any of that fancy stuff. And this is going to be 3/16, which is not showing up right now for some reason. 3/16. Why is that not? All right. And anyways, 3/16, as it says right there also. And we're going to be cutting 3/16. This should be your setting already for cut. And you're going to size this so it fits on there somewhere, right? Not running into other people's stuff. Then click print and you're good to go. Enjoy. Bye-bye. If you have any questions, let me know. Pause this video as you go so you can carry out each step.